Hello friends, today I come with a new TRX mining website. In this website I will explain you how to earn Tron by using the mining process. And friends, will give you a complete review. Please watch this video complete so I can explain all the information and give you all necessary information about this website. I will also provide you link in the description. You can check out this, and I open already in a Chrome to show you. And without wasting of time, let's start the video. Before start the video, I request my all viewers and subscribers, please like this video and also subscribe the channel if you do not subscribe my channel. I click on a Chrome and go to the registration page of this website. This page name is trc20-trx.com, and here you can see that you need to fill these all information to sign in this and sign up in this page. And I will explain you what how you can put your email here, how you put your login password, security password, and other. Now I put my password and the username and Gmail is here, and now I put my email gmail.com here, such as I put this like this. You can also put, and then I put my login password and security password here. After putting, I will again resume the video. Now I will stop the video. Here friends, you can see that I put this login password and security password. What is different between login password and security password? Login password is required when you're trying to enter into the website, and security password is required when you're trying to withdraw your money. Now I click on a sign up because this website is very simple logic and you can enter. Here first you can see that the latest announcement of this website, agency income reward for the recommending new user, 15% for the first level user, 3% for the second level user, and 2% for the third level user. For example, and affiliate registered through your refer link is your primary user. Your first level user can get 150 TRX commission reward and commission return by depositing TRX 1000. Example, your primary user invites customer to sign up as secondary user through his refer link. Secondary user can get 50 TRX commission reward and rebate when they deposit TRX 1000. And in the done you can see that all these information refer you more your user to visit your promotion link. The commission will be rewarded. The commission for more refers user will be credited directly to your account, and you can show it directly. And I close and click on the next page. Here you can see that information company profile is that, and currently has more than 10 self-built mining and cooperative mines world. The world leading one-stop service blockchain computing power ecosystem is that, and North American mining integrates 19 surrounding countries and regions. There are more than 1 million miners worldwide. Machines December 2020, Tron miners made nearly 1 billion to make it legal compliant company. You can invest confidence professional mining integrity company. The only official link is that corporate law white paper is that. You can check the white paper of this website if you want to invest in this website. I also provide you link in the description. In the done you can see a Telegram customer service, Telegram official service. Registration reward is 8000 TRX. Note, non-withdrawal are allowed, but income can be generated. The income can be withdrawn. Cloud miner can get 5% daily income. The more value added, more income. Please find unique websites such as this website TRX, the TRC20-TRX. Join our TRX mining platform. You will become the next multi-millionaire. And I close this portion, and friends, you can see that I total balance is that. You can see that I change the color of my printer and to show you clearly, and now you can see that my total balance is 8000 TRX, which is equal to $491. And in the down you can see that you can see a page of this website, three parts. This is the name of website. First you can see that a change of language of options, and this is the notification option. You can check all the notification of the website, such as withdrawal application instruction. This is very necessary, and you can see that withdrawal instruction are given here. You can read it. Withdrawal application instruction: minimum deposit 5 TRX, 2.8% daily withdrawal. The cumulative deposit is 5 to 10,000, and daily withdrawal is 2.8%. 30,000 to 1 lakh, and the daily withdrawal limit is 3.0. The cumulative deposit is 1 lakh to 5 lakh, and the daily withdrawal limit is 3.4%. And you can read all this information, and you can see that the minimum is withdrawal limit is 2.8%, and the maximum daily withdrawal limit is 5%. The higher the cumulative recharge amount, the higher the return of rate of price. And I close this and I go back to the website. This is the customer service. You can join this if you want to ask any question to the company. And friends, here you can see that withdrawal and deposit option I describe you at the end of the video. First I going to describe you. And friends, if you want to make a huge team and earn a passive income source by using this feature, I click on a share option, and friends, you can see that I loaded on the invite your content or friends and earn rewards such as invite rule. You can check the invite rule. First you need to copy this link and share your friends. If your friends invest in this website, you can get automatically a reward in your account. And you can see that this is the rebate and basis and upgrade amount of this. You can check here. If you in upgrade current invite, you can check your VIP1 rewards, VIP2 rewards, VIP3 rewards, VIP4 rewards, such as you can show all this information. And friends, you can see that these are the levels. You can increase it by investing more and more TRX in this website. Such as I click on upgrade, you can see that I go to the registration and deposit option, but I describe you at the end. I go back, I copy this link, and then I am going to describe you the team option. And this is the team option. You can check your team, how much you have team in your refer links. I have no team because I joined this website now. You can download the app of this website by clicking on this. There are two types of wallets, such as wallet account, promotion account. Join to be a drone millionaire, use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all users get the most TRX revenue. And in the down, friends, you can see that a platform data display cumulative profit is that, and the membership of website is that. About us, we are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies at the same time. And friends, in the down you can see these are the global partner of this website, such as Wither, CoinMate, Bitman, and Binance. These supporting to this website for recharging and withdrawing. Now I am going to show you the trading option. And friends, you can see that in VIP1 this website provide you a 5% trading, and if you want to increase this, you can also invest in this website. So you can see that cloud mining is working. I click on invest option. You can see that this is the invest option. You need to upgrade it and upgrade this, and these are the rules and regulations of this websites. And I go back to VIP level, and you can see that this is share option I described. This is a mine options. And friends, you can see that my total balance is 8000 TRX, and here you can see a TRX deposit, quantity, charge, any number of TRX to activate the account. And these all portions I are describe you. These are portions are described at the middle of the video. Now I am going to describe you how to deposit in this website by clicking on a deposit option. Such as I click on a deposit option, here you can see that I receive address. I click on a copy address, and you can see that please do not recharge no other non-TRX. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. If it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. A minimum deposit 5 TRX, less than 5 TRX cannot be recreated. And I go back to the website to show you how to deposit in this website by 20 TRX. And I go back to the website, and here you can see that I click on open, and here you can see that 6023 is as a my electron, and I click on a send option, and now I click paste my address here. Now I put my 20 TRX address here, and I click on a transfer options and continue. I click on a confirm option to send him the 20 TRX to show you how to deposit in this website. Now friends, you can see that I have a 20 TRX sent to successfully to the website, and I receive a completed option. Now I go back to the website to click on a recharge completed. Such as friends, I click on a recharge completed, I receive a submit successfully report, and I click on a refresh again and again to show you how much it take to receive my depositing in a account balance. And now friends, you can see that I successfully deposited 20 TRX in this website. Now I am going to show you how to withdraw money from this website. I click on a withdrawal option to show you how to withdraw money. Now friends, you can see that my daily withdrawal limit is 0.56 TRX, and my left is 0.56 TRX left to withdrawal. Now you need to put your daily withdrawal limit is, and address will start with T here, and enter your password. I fill all these information and to show you all informations, such as I put my daily withdrawal limit is that, and then I click on this address option. I go to my trust wallet to show you how to copy the address. Now I click and copy this address, and I go back to the website, and I paste this link address here, and to show you I click on a confirm. And friends, you can see that a verification notice, please use Telegram to add this and others. I click on a cancel, and I click on a confirm options. Friends, you can see that is a error. It is not error. You consider, please use Telegram to add your add friends, and send your invitation code. Is that I click on a copy code, and you can see that after passing you can submit the withdraw. I go to the Telegram to send him a my cap invitation code to verify my account. Such as, friends, I send him my invitation code and I wait for my invitation code approval. And friends, here you can see that I send him my ID and he send him me a message, please wait. And now you can see that I click on this. I send him okay, I fast, I am making video withdrawal has been activated and now you can withdraw your money. I go to back to the website and I click on this portion and I click on a confirm, but first I need to fill this address here. Now I fill my address and I click on a confirm. You can see that friend submit successfully. I wait for my 5 to 10 seconds to receive my income in my trust wallet account. Now I show you how much I receive up from the websites, and I already describe you my daily withdrawal limit is 0.56 TRX. You can increase it by investing more and more TRX in this website. Now I only wait for 5 to 10 seconds for the receiving of address or money. Friends, I receive a withdrawal of 0.56 TRX, and I hope friends you like this video and also subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.